Alright, so in case you guys don't know, this is a compilation of all the daily vlogs I've been making on my other channel. The Rubik's Cube competition is in here. I believe it was like the third or fourth day of this week. So yeah, you'll get to that. If you want to, you can skip to that part. It's in the middle somewhere. You'll have to search around for it. But also, you should check out the rest of these days because they're pretty cool. All right, let's do that. Bye.
It's a good time. Petroleum?
No.
There's Little Max. He's our favorite. There's Andrew, your favorite. Look at his hair, it's so freaking beautiful, oh my god. Hey look, Andrew is fixing the floor. Wow, look at him go. What a great guy.
So Jan, in these, nope, that doesn't help. All right, Jan. Oh, we won! Woo! This is not a reenactment. All right, wait, ready? All right, press it now. So we looked it up, and apparently the world record board for Minesweeper for the largest board was like 58 by 116. So we're doing 118. So we're doing a 60 by 120 board. I don't know if that was actually the current world record, but you know, it's some world record at some point, so we're gonna beat it now.
I'm waiting for Andrew to come out of the band room. It just got sunny and I'm really annoyed because I left my sunglasses in the band room. Let's say hi to Tiana. Oh my god, I cannot see.
The people who are like hosting this pep rally keep ignoring the orders of the people up there who tell them to like speed up and slow down. It's great.
And we thought 16 years ago that it would be a good idea to teach young people in the community how to do improv and then make them combat each other in a bloody Hunger Games style improv show off. And that's what you're gonna see tonight.
Realistic situation.
Tagline.
It's reality TV for 7 hours.
Let's see it.
Alright, so we're doing drumline practice today for like 3 hours.
Hi.
And then we're going up to our competition. It's semifinals. Quite possibly our last show, probably, if we're honest.
Only I can hear you.
I think they can hear me just fine, Andy. I can't even hear me. I'm wearing earplugs, so.
Okay.
Oh,
there's a plane going over. I had a bagel.
You're a plane going over.
Yeah, bagels are really good.
Dude, I had a bagel this morning.
Me too.
You want to go get bagels instead of doing drumline? Alright, pretend like there's music playing. You too, Max. Yeah! That was a pretty good run of our show. Not the best, not the worst. Probably good enough for not last place. Andy says I look like a YouTuber right now.
He does.
It looks kind of like a mixture of PewDiePie and like.
Why does it look PewDiePie?
PewDiePie and
Okay,
Red?
I told him we should cosplay.
What's up, guys? It is Red Clawflin here. So it's like 5:45. I got up like a half hour ago. Going to a Rubik's Cube competition. Going to carpool with Henry now. It's too early. Right, CJ? Alright, we're going to the comp. Kevin's here. Henry's here. I'm here.
Anything you guys want to say?
Hi. Henry says hi. Did you have a bagel this morning?
I wish I had a bagel, in fact.
He didn't have a bagel this morning. I just realized we're like a really diverse group of cubers in this car. We got a ZZ user, a CFOP user, and a Roo user. I don't think Nathan's here yet. Spelled my name wrong, but still, all mudkips. Mudkips. Come on, Christian, how do you spell that correctly, but not my last name? Damn it!
I'm not singing.
Come on, at least get into the beat.
I can't do something.
So, I may have just won FMC with a 38, which would be ridiculous. Okay, so I didn't win, but I got second, which is alright. You know, Shane Gadrogan beat me. Alright, so I'm just hanging out here at the comp. No one seems to have recognized me, I don't think. I mean, I'm just, oh, where did you come from? He wanted me to shoot a video, so I guess I have to now. That's the law, right?
Go, Kelly!
Alright, play Flight of the Bumblebee. Scrambling for finals.
Did he just get another counting 7?
We totally don't look weird in this restaurant at all. I actually liked it a lot. Oh, I had no problem whatsoever.
Here we go.
Oh!
I'm the one dancing. Why are you falling? I'm used to my tap shoes.
Didn't see that there. So I was just doing a bunch of two-handed solving, so I wasn't recording any of it. But then I switched to one-handed, and well, pretty quickly I got a sub 10 solve, but I still wasn't recording because I forgot that I was doing something that I could actually do stuff that was good. Because, you know, I can't do good stuff at two-handed. But anyway, I wasn't recording, so yeah, let's just act like this happened. Whoa! Alright, let's do that again. I didn't even know he was gonna do this, but okay. Hey Jan, are you ready to sweep some mines?
I'm ready to mine some sweeps.
Ah! We got this. It looks like some kind of animal. See, that's the head, and the tail, and the two legs.
It's a U.
It's a U. It's a U. Alright, we're about a sixth done. 1 hour in.